Hey guys, this is Drew from ZP Reviews. Doing my next video. The topic of this video is going to be Amazon SuperURLs and how to integrate them with your Amazon Associates links. And this came up as a topic from someone who had private messaged me, and I wanted to just go over it because I think this is something that isn't called out completely in the guide, but I wanted to just square it away with you guys. So let me switch over real quick. Okay, so if you don't know already, I use Helium 10, but Helium 10 is more than just their little software. They actually have a lot of little helpful posts that explain a lot of things, and one of the tools they have built in is their SuperURL generators. So I just want to run through each one of these and what they are, and then how to do it, and then that'll be the video. So first thing is what's called the canonical URL. I might have butchered that, it might be canonical, but more or less, this URL is what's going to be found by search engines. This is one that you want to use not really in your Amazon Associates. This is one that you always want visible. So how can I put this? So you want to get all the main keywords, like the highest volume keywords for this one, because this link is what's going to show up in search engines. But that's important because people find you on Amazon search engine, right? But if, say, they're on Google or Bing or Yahoo, this is the superior URL you would use with it. And what I generally do, so if we were talking about, my usual example is like lightning cable, right? So we'll just go to a lightning cable. So Amazon is all over everything. See, Amazon Basics. So let's go to Zesty Chef. So what I would do is I would capture 5 of the main keywords for this particular lightning cable. So this could be charging cable, lightning cable, iPhone cable. You could throw in a bunch of keywords and you come back to your gems and you put them in these headers and then just put your ASIN, right? And when you hit generate, it's going to generate a thing. So just so I can show you, so we'll say lightning cable, iPhone cable, iPhone charger, charging cable, 6-foot cable. And then we go over here, scroll down, and go to, where is the ASIN? Let's see, here we go. Just grab this real quick, and you throw it in here, you hit generate, boom, you have a SuperURL with all of the keywords you need. Now this needs to be clear, this is just for your, how can I put it, so if you had a home page, this would be the place for it, right? You would want this URL for that's clearly visible. This can't be cloaked in Amazon Associates. I mean, you could try. I haven't had any success with that. I usually leave this one open. The second one, and this is really good when you are launching or you're getting someone through, say, Facebook ads, is the add to cart. The only problem with this one is that it doesn't work through Amazon Associates correctly. And what the reason is that you need the higher level Amazon Associates, you have to have their API key. Otherwise, this is going to just kind of, it's never going to attribute to you. So, however, this is strong because when you use the add to cart one, this simulates Alexa. So you get a massive boost for anyone who uses this add to cart. Only thing I would say is be careful not to use it too much because Amazon is paying attention to these. So just, use it sparingly, but don't make it your main thing. But it's powerful, so definitely do use it. Buy together. I'm sure you've seen this plenty of times on Amazon pages, but you can include other people's products here. And this is actually a good launch tactic, is that you can put another, say, your competitor's product, and say that if you buy theirs and get mine for free, or you can get mine for free as a rebate or something, I don't know, but you can get buy together. You got to be creative, but you can do this with your own products. This is a bundle opportunity. Say you have one product launch and then you made a second one that kind of goes with it. You could do that. Or if you have you know, just a quantity bundle, but this is what you'd use. Now, the two that I use the most are the two-step via Storefront, and why this is great is that you can put your storefront ID, and you can get, this is your I think this is your merchant ID. You can get this in your Amazon seller account, and then you put your keyword and your ASIN and your minimum price, maximum price. This is only if you don't have the buy box, or you're having to deal with other people on this listing. But if you're private label, the pricing doesn't really matter. But this is what I use the most, and what you would do. So let me. I'm going to switch over just real quick so I don't like show off everything I have. I'm going to switch to one, and if you just give me a moment, sorry, I got to get my key. Let me see, account info, and I want to find, where is it, merchant token. So you go into settings, you find your merchant token, that is your ID, and when you come back here, so we'll just say, I'm going to use lightning cable and use that same ASIN. Generate. So, needless to say, I'm going to, I don't know if that'll work, but I just want to show you one thing. So I can't quite show you that specific one without showing off my products, but I'm going to just use the canonical one just so I can show you how it would work if you were doing this yourself. So now that you have a SuperURL, and you would use your storefront or your brand, your two-step brand for this. But basically, okay, wrong one. Put this in the bar. Now once you actually have Amazon Associates, you're going to get this thing called the site stripe, if you see this up here. And what you want to do is go to the text link, and you're going to get either the short or full link. I would recommend just using the full link. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, you probably can use the canonical URL. Maybe I need to go change mine. But needless to say, you'll take this URL, and then this is what you'll use for your buy now, your shop now, your links from your funnel, or your you know, if you're using ManyChat or something, you use that as the click-through. So now when that person clicks that link, now you're going to get a cookie from Amazon saying that you can get a referral for the product you link, and then you'll also get the benefits of the SuperURL. So this is really powerful. I think if you're not doing this, you definitely should. If you have any questions on how to get set up with Amazon Associates, definitely like join my group and ask there, or comment in the below, and I can help you. And once again, I do have our guide is available, and I am constantly updating that. You can find that also in a link below if you haven't gotten it already. But once again, this is Drew from ZP Reviews, signing out.